Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Go Dynamic IT. In this episode of our OneDrive video series, we are going to cover the essentials creating a Microsoft account and installing OneDrive. Whether you are new to Microsoft ecosystem or just starting with the cloud storage, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Let's start with creating a Microsoft account. If you already have one, you can skip ahead to the installation part, but if not, don't worry, this is going to be a very simple process. Okay, so let's creating the first account first. So what we'll do is first we'll create a free account, and once we click on that, it will redirect to the next page, and here it will ask you to create a account here. So you have two options, like you can use your existing account if you already have, or if you do not have, you can create a new email address. So I would create a new email address, and here you can see here you can create email ID with the name of hotmail.com or outlook.com. You have a two option here. So let's create a email ID with outlook.com here, and then it will ask for the password. So here you can give your desired password, so it should be the strong one, and after doing that, it uh, ask you for the normal like your first name and the last name. This is a pretty simple one, so just add your first name and last name, and then move to your birth date. So you can give your own birth date here, so that it will yeah, it will allow you to go move further. And then after moving that, it asks you for the challenge, right? So puzzle. So sorry, so just click on the next, and it will show you one picture where you have to move your cursor. So you can see here the hand symbol is moved to the left, right, and the cart is to the right. So move the cart with the head of mouse to the left, and this verification is completed. So that's an your account is successfully created now. So after creating this successful creating this account, it will take you to the home page of OneDrive. So as you can see here, this is the dashboard of your OneDrive, and this looks pretty simple and pretty neat here. This the startups few guides here, so you can just close one. There's some advertisement about upgrading to this yearly or monthly plans, so I would skip as of now for that. And you can see on the dashboard, like this is the very clean UI interface of the OneDrive. I can see these are the apps which you get by default with your free account, and these are the one which you can see in the files sections. Yeah, these are the default few folders showing up here, and in the left corner you can see here how much space has been used by your Google Drive. So you can see that as of now I've been used by been using 1% of my cloud storage, 0.1%. I think it's 1% because of this default folder and files. And you can create a file a folder over here, or we can go ahead and do it on our system itself. And these are the few, like you can see the left hand side of file it is sent for profiles, shared, and everything, all the details. We will go one by one later in the videos. So let me show you like the how to check on how to install the OneDrive on your system if it's not already. So this could be if you have a Windows 10 or 11, these are the by default installation. If you have an older version, or if somehow this is you have uninstalled it, let me show you how to do that. So just click on the search bar, and you can see here you can see the OneDrive is already installed on my system. If not, so you can see the right hand top corner, you can see setting buttons there. Just click on that, and then the fourth option, which is get the OneDrive apps here. So you can click on the apps, you can click on the link, and it will redirect you to download this OneDrive app. So you can download it from here as well. So in my system, I already have OneDrive installed. So what I would do is I'll just go ahead and add my account which I have already created here. So let's go ahead and quickly add my account to the OneDrive. So in this one, let's add your email address which you have created. So I have created my account. So let me key in this information here and just log in. Okay, so this is loading and creating this account. Okay, now it's asking for the password. So let me put the password here. Okay, so this is about the password, and now my OneDrive is almost ready to back up my data. So this is trying to sync our few details from online. So this is all asking about this respect policy and getting better together. These are the options which are Microsoft by default option. As it depends on your requirement, you can go ahead and select that. So here is asking for the which location you want to install the Go Drive. So as you can see here, my system is showing the C users OneDrive, and you have an option to change the drive as well. So you can choose to install in the D drive, E drive, wherever you want. But however, in my system it's a C, and I would like to go with the default one. And click on the next. Here it's asking about the backup folder on your PC. So you can see here it's already enabled to backup my document, pictures, and desktop. And here are other like music and videos as well. So I would go with do it later. I will do it on. So let's go with the default installation here. Just click on the next, and then it's asking with the mobile setup. I'll do the mobile setup. Mobile setup will have a default, with different videos on that. So you can see here, these are the files here, documents, vault, pictures, and this PDF file, which will be on my system. You can see here in the Google Drive, sorry, in the OneDrive, Microsoft OneDrive. So in the OneDrive, these are the option which is there on the web and on my system as well. So now you can say that my system is installed, and sorry, the OneDrive is installed, account is created. Now we'll explore the option to how to backup or sync the data. Let's explore this OneDrive app like settings, which are the settings are there. So for that, just go to the taskbar and click on this OneDrive setup and go to the settings. And the settings, you can see here, you have a couple of options here. You can see here in the first left hand side corner, you have sync and backup, account, notification, and our about page. There are four options from the left hand side. So let's go ahead and create. Let's go ahead and select the folder. Let's see if we have an option to select other folders here. No, I do not. We do not have an option to select other folders here. It is this is these are all the default options which are given here. So now what we will do is, sorry, let me re-log into reopen that Microsoft OneDrive app, and then go to the settings. And you can see here on the left hand, you can see here you have an option to manage backup, and then you have a sync backup, account, notification, and about. So let's click on sync and backup and manage backup. In the manage backup, you can see here, this is the same option which we skip, and that has come again. So now I want to back up my documents. So let's enable this document section here. So, okay, I'm enabling the document, and then I would like to back up my pictures, and then I would like to back up my desktop. And indeed, there are music and videos, but as of now, I do not want to backup music and videos. So just three options I would like to proceed. So after enabling that, just click on the settings. And what it does, it will start syncing all these files in the documents and the pictures. It will start backing up your all this data. So you can see here, this is a very simple process to do that. And you can here you have a save picture from the from the devices. So when you connect your cameras or any mobile phone, so your if you have this option enables, your pictures will be automatically backed up on the Microsoft OneDrive if you enable this option. And the second option is a screenshot or capture to the OneDrive. So the second option is like when you take the screenshot, you can notice you have noticed that in the My document you have an option for the My the documents, right? The picture section is there. So when you click on that, it will capture the picture. I mean, it will back up your picture as well. So this is the by default feature of the Microsoft. As you can see here, there is an option where it says that pause syncing when the device is on the meter network. That means sometimes we connect to our mobile device, right? And mobile is having a limited internet access, so internet limit, right? So you can enable and disable on as per your requirement. So uh, I mean, when you're running uh, this system with the mobile network, we can pause this syncing, right? And there are these are the option, advanced option where you can limit the rate. Let's say your mobile is having 100 Mbps speed, you can limit it to 25 kbps to upload and download. You do not want to allocate all your bandwidth to this Microsoft OneDrive, right? To upload your upload files. And here are the beautiful options. Let's say you are having the files, lots of files, right? I mean, files in your download folder or documents. I do not want to upload everything on the Google Drive, OneDrive, Microsoft OneDrive. So what you can do is you can exclude this with the extension. So example that I do not want to upload the exe file on the Google Drive, right? Which is consume my space. So I can do it. You can exclude this with exe or .msi MSI files. And it depends, like when I will a Linux RPM file or not, you just keep adding those extensions here, and Microsoft will exclude uploading on the OneDrive, Microsoft OneDrive. So that's it for today's video. And if you have any questions, query, put me in the comment box and I'll try to answer it. Thank you very much for watching my video.